Alright, YouTube land, we're back with another video today. We've got a Stryker SR 497 HPC for Bruce. Alright, so we're testing this thing we got on the side net, and I was just playing around, and negative 106, negative 126. Man, this sucker's got an amazing receiver on it. Let's go ahead and bring her up here. Looks like we're hitting about negative 108. Negative 109, well, let's see, yeah, about negative 109, 12 dB. So looking good. All right, we're going to go into the TX here. We're going to engage our, the clicker here and watch the magic happen. We're going to start out at 50, doing about 100 watts PEP power. Looking good on the scope. Turn that down so I ain't gotta listen to all that. And like I say, looking good. So we're going to go ahead and move that out to 50 megahertz. 50 megahertz. I'm looking at 50 megahertz. Now we're going to go out and look at 150 megahertz. Y'all know how we do it. Like I say, about 100 watts, a little better than 100 watts from a 25 watt carrier. We'll show that in a minute. 300, take another 300. Loving these things, man. Loving these 497s. Definitely, in my opinion, probably Stryker's best product. I wish they made this in this exact radio in a sideband. That would be wonderful. That would be awesome. So, okay. Alright, well, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to pause the video here. I'm going to hook a mic up and we're going to listen to her. Okay, so we're back with the Stryker. We're going to key her up here. We're showing about 26.3 watts is actually what the carrier is set at. Carrier was measured with the case off and set. And of course, when you put the case on, sometimes things change a little bit. So, anyway. Let's go ahead and turn this up. Hello, radio. 1, 2. Let's turn this down. Got that down. Oh, I ain't got my... Put that speaker in my truck earlier and I ain't got it in here. Well, let's see if we can just work off the stock speaker of the 29.
Hello, radio. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio check.
Tell you what, let's throw some echo on. I always like a little echo. Hello. Hello, 1, 2. That speaker in that 29 is not the greatest, but we're going to go with it.
Hello, radio. Check 1, 2. Audio. Check, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio. Radio. 1, 2, 3. Check, check.
Okay, so that's with the variable all the way up, and we'll take it all the way down.
Hello. Producing about 40 watts PEP power right there. Audio. Check. Check, check.
Don't sound too good through that factory speaker, but it's going to have to do for this go around. All the way down you got about a 9.5 watt dead key and almost a 10 watt dead key, modulating right at 40 watts there, Bruce. So all the way up you're 26 watts, modulating just a hair over 100. So doing what we're supposed to do. Alright, man, well, I appreciate your business. Guys, y'all stay tuned. Got a lot coming up as always. Y'all be safe, be careful, be kind. I got to get out of here. Got to get back busy. Bump, bump.